The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Options: A. 5, B. 7, C. 8, D. 9. Answer: B. 8. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Which is the highest peak in South India? Options: A. Anamudi, B. Dodabetta, C. Mahendragiri, D. Nilgiri. Answer: A. Anamudi. Anamudi, located in the Western Ghats, is the highest peak in South India with an elevation of 2,695 meters. The largest river island in India is. Options: A. Srirangam, B. Majuli, C. Bhavani Island, D. Devar Island. Answer: B. Majuli. Majuli, in the state of Assam, is recognized as the largest river island in India. The eastern coastal plains of India are also known as. Options: A. Konkan Coast, B. Coromandel Coast, C. Malabar Coast, D. Northern Sarka. Answer: B. Coromandel Coast. The eastern coastal plains of India, from Tamil Nadu to Andhra Pradesh, are known as the Coromandel Coast. The largest saltwater lake in India is. Options: A. Pulicat Lake, B. Sambhar Lake, C. Chilika Lake, D. Vembanad Lake. Answer: C. Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake, located in Orissa, is the largest saltwater lake in India. Which state is the largest producer of coffee in India? Options: A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: C. Karnataka. Karnataka accounts for about 70% of India's total coffee production. The monsoon in India usually arrives by. Options: A. April, B. May, C. June, D. July. Answer: C. June. The southwest monsoon typically arrives in India by the first week of June. Which mineral is commonly found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau? Options: A. Gold, B. Manganese, C. Bauxite, D. Iron ore. Answer: D. Iron ore. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in minerals, particularly iron ore. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in which body of water? Options: A. Arabian Sea, B. Bay of Bengal, C. Indian Ocean, D. Laccadive Sea. Answer: B. Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. The primary crop in the Kaveri Delta is. Options: A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Sugarcane, D. Cotton. Answer: B. Rice. The fertile Kaveri Delta is predominantly used for rice cultivation. The state with the highest population density in India is. Options: A. West Bengal, B. Kerala, C. Bihar, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer: C. Bihar. Bihar has the highest population density among Indian states. Which language is predominantly spoken in the state of Maharashtra? Options: A. Gujarati, B. Kannada, C. Marathi, D. Telugu. Answer: C. Marathi. Marathi is the official language and is widely spoken in Maharashtra. The dance form, Kathak, originated in which region of India? Options: A. Punjab, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer: B. Uttar Pradesh. Kathak is a classical dance form that originated in the northern region, specifically Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state is known for the Bihu festival? Options: A. West Bengal, B. Orissa, C. Assam, D. Manipur. Answer: C. Assam. Bihu is the most prominent festival celebrated in Assam, marking the Assamese New Year. The literacy rate in India, according to the 2011 census, is approximately. Options: A. 65%, B. 70%, C. 75%, D. 80%. Answer: C. 75%. The literacy rate in India as per the 2011 census is around 74.04%. The largest producer of natural rubber in India is. Options: A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Assam. Answer: B. Kerala. Kerala produces the majority of India's natural rubber. The main source of livelihood for the population of the Sundarbans is. Options: A. Agriculture, B. Fishing, C. Forestry, D. Tourism. Answer: B. Fishing. Fishing is a primary occupation for many inhabitants of the Sundarbans. Which Indian state is the largest producer of wheat? Options: A. Punjab, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Haryana, D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer: B. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh leads India in wheat production. The largest coalfield in India is located in. Options: A. Jaria, B. Bokaro, C. Raniganj, D. Talcher. Answer: A. Jaria. Jaria, in Jharkhand, is the largest coalfield in India. Which port is known as the Gateway of India? Options: A. Chennai Port, B. Mumbai Port, C. Kolkata Port, D. Vishakhapatnam Port. Answer: B. Mumbai Port. Mumbai Port is historically known as the Gateway of India due to its significance in maritime trade. The first national park established in India is. Options: A. Kanha National Park, B. Jim Corbett National Park, C. Kaziranga National Park, D. Bandipur National Park. Answer: B. Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park, established in 1936, is the first national park in India. The longest river in India is. Options: A. Ganga, B. Godavari, C. Brahmaputra, D. Yamuna. Answer: A. Ganga. The Ganga River, with a length of about 2,525 kilometers, is the longest river in India. The Thar Desert is primarily located in which state? Options: A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Haryana, D. Punjab. Answer: B. Rajasthan. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is located mainly in Rajasthan. The highest dam in India is. Options: A. Bahakar Dam, B. Terry Dam, C. Hirakud Dam, D. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Answer: B. Terry Dam. Terry Dam, located in Uttarakhand, is the highest dam in India with a height of 260.5 meters. The Chilika Lake is situated in which state? Options: A. West Bengal, B. Orissa, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer: B. Orissa. Chilika Lake is a brackish water lagoon located in the state of Orissa. The largest salt desert in India is. Options: A. Thar Desert, B. White Desert, C. Run of Kutch, D. Sambhar Salt Lake. Answer: C. Run of Kutch. The Run of Kutch in Gujarat is the largest salt desert in India. The Indian city known as the Silicon Valley of India is. Options: A. Hyderabad, B. Pune, C. Chennai, D. Bengaluru. Answer: D. Bengaluru. Bengaluru is known as the Silicon Valley of India due to its role as the nation's leading information technology exporter. The headquarters of the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) is located in. Options: A. Chennai, B. Bengaluru, C. Hyderabad, D. Mumbai. Answer: B. Bengaluru. ISRO's headquarters is located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. The primary river flowing through the state of Jammu and Kashmir is. Options: A. Indus, B. Jhelum, C. Chenab, D. Ravi. Answer: B. Jhelum. The Jhelum River is the primary river flowing through Jammu and Kashmir. The southernmost point of India is. Options: A. Indira Point, B. Kanyakumari, C. Point Kalaimere, D. Kovalam. Answer: A. Indira Point. Indira Point, located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, is the southernmost point of India. The state with the longest coastline in India is. Options: A. Tamil Nadu, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: B. Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest coastline of any state in India, stretching about 1,600 kilometers. The Konkan Railway connects which two major cities? Options: A. Mumbai and Chennai, B. Mumbai and Goa, C. Mumbai and Kochi, D. Mumbai and Mangalore. Answer: D. Mumbai and Mangalore. The Konkan Railway runs along the western coast of India, connecting Mumbai and Mangalore. The state known for its Blue Revolution, due to its large-scale fish farming is. Options: A. Kerala, B. Gujarat, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. West Bengal. Answer: C. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is a leading state in fish farming, contributing significantly to India's Blue Revolution. The Sundarbans is famous for which species? Options: A. Asiatic lion, B. Bengal tiger, C. One-horned rhinoceros, D. Snow leopard. Answer: B. Bengal tiger. The Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its population of Bengal tigers. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Options: A. Kosi, B. Ganga, C. Yamuna, D. Mahanadi. Answer: A. Kosi. The Kosi River is called the Sorrow of Bihar due to its frequent and devastating floods. The main crop grown in the state of Punjab is. Options: A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Maize, D. Sugarcane. Answer: B. Wheat. Punjab is known as the granary of India and primarily grows wheat. The Nilgiri Hills are located in which Indian state? Options: A. Karnataka, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: C. Tamil Nadu. The Nilgiri Hills are part of the Western Ghats and are located in Tamil Nadu. The primary occupation of the people living in the Western Ghats is. Options: A. Agriculture, B. Fishing, C. Mining, D. Handicrafts. Answer: A. Agriculture. The fertile land and suitable climate of the Western Ghats make agriculture the primary occupation. The Indian state known for the White Revolution, due to its dairy farming is. Options: A. Punjab, B. Haryana, C. Gujarat, D. Rajasthan. Answer: C. Gujarat. Gujarat is famous for its dairy industry, leading India's White Revolution. Which river is known as the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh? Options: A. Narmada, B. Tapti, C. Godavari, D. Krishna. Answer: A. Narmada. The Narmada River, flowing through the central part of India, is considered the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. The river that flows through the Thar Desert is. Options: A. Luni, B. Sabarmati, C. Mahi, D. Tapi. Answer: A. Luni. The Luni River flows through the Thar Desert in Rajasthan and Gujarat. The Bahakar Nangal Dam is built on which river? Options: A. Satluj, B. Beas, C. Ravi, D. Yamuna. Answer: A. Satluj. The Bahakar Nangal Dam, one of India's largest dams, is built on the Satluj River. The Sundarbans Delta is formed by which river system? Options: A. Ganga Brahmaputra, B. Godavari Krishna, C. Mahanadi Brahmani, D. Indus Satluj. Answer: A. Ganga Brahmaputra. The Sundarbans Delta is formed by the confluence of the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. Which river is referred to as the Dakshin Ganga or South Gangas? Options: A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, D. Mahanadi. Answer: A. Godavari. The Godavari River is often referred to as the Dakshin Ganga due to its length and significance in southern India. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is constructed on which river? Options: A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Tungabhadra, D. Kaveri. Answer: B. Krishna. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, one of the largest masonry dams in the world, is built on the Krishna River. The river that originates from the Amarkantak Plateau is. Options: A. Narmada, B. Tapi, C. Chambal, D. Son. Answer: A. Narmada. The Narmada River originates from the Amarkantak Plateau in Madhya Pradesh. The Hirakud Dam is built on which river? Options: A. Mahanadi, B. Brahmani, C. Batarani, D. Subarnarekha. Answer: A. Mahanadi. The Hirakud Dam, one of the longest earthen dams in the world, is built on the Mahanadi River. Which is the longest tributary of the Ganga River? Options: A. Yamuna, B. Son, C. Ghaghra, D. Kosi. Answer: A. Yamuna. The Yamuna River is the longest tributary of the Ganga River. The Deccan Plateau is primarily composed of which type of rock? Options: A. Sedimentary, B. Igneous, C. Metamorphic, D. Limestone. Answer: B. Igneous. The Deccan Plateau is predominantly composed of igneous rock, mainly basalt. The Aravalli Range is located in which part of India? Options: A. Eastern, B. Western, C. Northern, D. Southern. Answer: B. Western. The Aravalli Range runs across western India, primarily through Rajasthan. The Vindhya Range separates which two major geographical regions of India? Options: A. Northern and Southern, B. Eastern and Western, C. Coastal and Inland, D. Central and Deccan. Answer: A. Northern and Southern. The Vindhya Range acts as a natural boundary between northern and southern India. The Malwa Plateau is located in which state? Options: A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Answer: C. Madhya Pradesh. The Malwa Plateau is located in the central part of Madhya Pradesh. The Satpura Range runs through which states? Options: A. Gujarat and Maharashtra, B. Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, D. Gujarat and Rajasthan. Answer: B. Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. The Satpura Range extends through Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. The highest peak in the Western Ghats is? Options: A. Anamudi, B. Dodabetta, C. Kudremukh, D. Mullayanagiri. Answer: A. Anamudi. Anamudi, located in Kerala, is the highest peak in the Western Ghats. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? Options: A. Deccan Plateau, B. Tibetan Plateau, C. Chota Nagpur Plateau, D. Malwa Plateau. Answer: B. Tibetan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau, located north of the Himalayas, is often referred to as the roof of the world. The Western Ghats are also known as? Options: A. Sahyadri, B. Aravalli, C. Satpura, D. Vindhya. Answer: A. Sahyadri. The Western Ghats are also known as the Sahyadri Range. Black soil is most suitable for growing which crop? Options: A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Cotton, D. Sugarcane. Answer: C. Cotton. Black soil, also known as Regur soil, is ideal for cotton cultivation. The Green Revolution in India primarily focused on which crop? Options: A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Maize, D. Pulses. Answer: A. Wheat. The Green Revolution in India significantly increased the production of wheat. The red soil in India is rich in which mineral? Options: A. Nitrogen, B. Phosphorus, C. Iron, D. Potassium. Answer: C. Iron. Red soil is rich in iron oxide, giving it a distinct reddish color. The primary soil type found in the Indo-Gangetic Plain is? Options: A. Laterite, B. Alluvial, C. Red, D. Black. Answer: B. Alluvial. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is predominantly composed of alluvial soil, which is highly fertile.